You and your staffing agency already work well together, and now they've given you a portal of your own to make it even easier. Submit your staffing needs the moment they come up, watch every shift fill in real time, and always know exactly where things stand, from your desk or your phone, day or night. No more waiting on a callback to find out if you're covered. Everything starts in the calendar. From your workspace, select Calendar, and there it is. Every scheduled job in one clear view. This is your command center. Just a picture of what's coming and how it's tracking. Creating a job is simple. Click the date you need staff and start entering the details: the job title, employment type, position, how many workers you need, and the start and end times. And if the shift repeats, use the job schedule option to set it to recur. NextCrew builds the rest for you. From here, you decide who can see the job. Privacy settings like public, private, my crew, verified, and inactive each control who can view and apply. When a job isn't private, you can invite crew members directly or let them apply for the job. Click Invite, choose the crew you want, and send the invitation. The moment they accept, they're confirmed on the shift. No back and forth. If crew members apply on their own, you can review applicants from the Interested tab in the job details and confirm the ones you'd like to assign. You can also add a job description, the work location, supporting documents, and internal notes for your team. And some setups automatically confirm qualified crew members the moment they apply. Want to push it out further? Send a broadcast notification to your workforce right away or schedule it to go out later. One quick note: what you're able to do here, from posting jobs and inviting crew to the privacy settings, is controlled by your system administrator, so your view may vary from what we're showing. When you're ready, add the job, and it goes live immediately for your matching crew to see. As jobs fill, the calendar shows status in color. Orange means unfilled, it needs attention. Blue means partially filled. Green means fully staffed and confirmed. One glance tells you where to focus first. And as your schedule grows, finding a specific job stays easy. Just search by title or position. For any filled or partially filled job, you can also pull a staff list right from the calendar. Open the job, choose Quick Access, and generate the list in PDF or Excel, ready for reporting, coordination, or on-site use. Away from your computer? Download the NextCrew for Managers app. Tap the plus icon to create a job, order name, location, dates, times, and position right from your phone. Tap Jobs to see everything, filter by date, and switch between open and confirmed shifts. Your whole operation in your pocket. That's the difference. You submit and manage your jobs the moment you need them. Watch every shift fill in real time and always know exactly where you stand without waiting on a single phone call. Thank you for using NextCrew.